This is Tim, Constructors 911. We're working on getting a generator pad in and trying to get around the snow and stuff. It's been a tough time. Um, we have been working hard over here. This is a house that we work at all the time. Our affiliate company DCS and 911 are doing a joint merge on this one. This is DCS is one of their main customers. Jim's worked for Nancy Sachs for years, and she's a great customer of ours, and she always has us come out and pretty much general contract everything and take care of everything for her. But right now we're trying to get this thing in. We kind of messed up a little bit with the snow and stuff. We're supposed to put this thing in a couple months ago, and we're way backed up because of this COVID. Well, you know, everybody's got an excuse right now, but we're even going through the sleet and the snow to get this thing in for our customers. So we do the best service we can possible to get everything done for everybody. Now, last night we've been jackhammering out this concrete to move the conduit for this generator. So this generator has been maintained all the time. It's a Generac generator, and now it's not working right. So we just purchased a new generator for Mrs. Sachs, and that one's going to be a new Kohler generator, same size pretty much, but the conduit is in a different spot. So we had to tear out this part of the concrete slab so that we could reroute the actual conduit. So that's what I'm here to do today. That way it's going to warm up when we get into the 50s. We got basically a 2-inch conduit right here inside, and then we have a basic 1-inch conduit and a grounding rod. So we're gonna have to move the grounding rod, the conduits. As you can see, if I put this in here, this conduit's going over this way. It's going over this way, so I got it right down here, and we're good there. So right now what I'll do is I'll get a work order together for guys, come out and cut some of these rebar pins off, and then trench over into this area right here. They're going to take and run from that conduit right over there that you can see, and they're going to swing over to here. So we're going to need to cut this rebar piece out or remove it from the wire, slide it over, and then hand dig that out and get this conduit, come over to here where it turns over that way, cut the conduit at the 90, try to save that 90 and couple it in down here. That's the plan. This is Tim, Constructors 911 and DCS, Definitve Construction Solutions. It's an awesome company that figures out all the problems that happen with solutions on construction, and everybody knows that construction problems are a common thing, especially running something like this where you have to figure out how are you going to get this generator to the backyard. Well, we're going to finish the whole project. We're going to get it to the backyard. It's going to be a really good job, and everything is going to work really great again because we got a good team. So I also kind of want to share with everybody on my path out of here so you can really understand how far down the hill. There's really no way to crane here. There's a lot of issues that are challenges or issues or whatever you want to call it that have arisen that make this job complicated. But it's really not that big a deal. You're just setting a generator down, but we can't crane it over the house. So we had come up with a solution to slide this thing over, and that's what we did. Quick, I'm going to walk out through the snow, but it's kind of slick. But here you can see there's a generator, and what we did was we slid it over so we could get it in there without doing that. And then we're going to come through here with the generator.